How's it going, my YouTube friends? Stefan here. So glad to see you. Well, in this video, it's not gonna be a happy video, it's gonna be a disappointing video. Okay, so long story short, a few days ago I just ordered a Samsung Galaxy S2. The seller was claiming that this is a brand new and opened and sealed Samsung Galaxy S2. As you can see here, brand new Samsung Galaxy S2, 16 gigabytes. Before I ordered the Samsung Galaxy S2, I just sent a text to the seller and I asked him if this is brand new item unopened, and I was super excited because the price was only 65 pounds, which is about 80 to 90 USA dollars, brand new unsealed. Samsung Galaxy S2 is quite old smartphone, so I said okay. The seller confirmed that this is a brand new and opened, so I ordered the device, and now let's see what exactly happened. Let's see the unboxing together, and you'll see that I was very disappointed. Let's go to the video now and let's see the unboxing. Okay, so this is Samsung Galaxy S2, brand new, unopened, sealed. Exactly the box that I received was exactly the same. As you can see, this is the black version, and as you can see properly, it says unsealed, unopened. This is all the details that we have here. Very excited, super excited, because this is an old, very classy Samsung Galaxy S2. And it was very good experience for me to see if this is a brand new. But now you'll see the video what exactly happened. This is my knife, so now I'm gonna cut the sealing and I'm gonna open the phone. Now you'll see the most important and different thing. The surprise. Voila. The original packaging of Samsung Galaxy S2 from 2011, if I'm wrong, is not the same. The phone doesn't come in a bubble wrap. And as you can see, this is not original as well. There's some paperwork here, and the wall adapter and the headphones doesn't come exactly in this way, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing. And the more important and disappointing thing is the seller was claiming that this is a brand new and open and sealed. That's why I believe. So that's why I order it. And as you can see now, this is not a brand new device. Now I'm going to remove the plastic for the first time, and now you will see something. As you can see, the smudge on the right side. This is not a brand new device. Plus, I think the back of the device is not original. I don't know if this is right, but this is not original back of the device. And second important thing is the battery, I think, is not installed to the smartphone. Comes separate, I think. And when I tried to boot the phone for the first time, it couldn't turn on. And I stopped the video and I tried to charge the phone for 5-10 minutes. I tried different charges. I tried the original charge that comes in the box. Nothing, doesn't turn on. Short long story, I sent message, I contact the seller, but before that, so I contact the seller, and at the same time I just called the eBay and explained them what happened. So we spoke about 15-20 minutes on eBay, and they said that I'll get my money back. And after maybe 20 minutes after I spoke with eBay, the seller sent me prepaid postage, so I sent the device back. So I hope I'll get my money probably in 5 working days. But yeah, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. I've been scammed on eBay. This is my first scam, to be honest, and I'm super disappointed because he was claiming that this is a brand new and opened and sealed box, and I got this rubbish, which even it was new, and it was broken. We couldn't turn on. So yeah, this was for the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and I'm going to see you in my next video.